How to use AI to edit videos automatically. First, open your web browser or install an AI video editor such as CapCut AI, Adobe Express, Veed, or Descript. Most of these platforms offer free features to get started. Next, sign into your account and tap New Project or Create Video. Upload the video you want to edit from your device. Once the upload is complete, drag the video and look for AI features such as Auto Edit, AI Edit, Auto Captions, or Highlight Generator, depending on the platform you're using. Now, choose the editing style you want. The AI can automatically trim silent sections, remove filler words, generate captions, add transitions, create background music, and even resize your video for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. After the AI finishes editing, preview the video and make any final adjustments if needed. You can edit the captions, replace music, or trim specific clips before exporting. Finally, tap Export or Download, choose your preferred resolution, and save the finished video to your device. That's it. You've successfully edited a video automatically using AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tools, video editing tips, and easy tech guides.